Welcome to Oslo!
Just landed this morning and we are now on our way to find a brunch. This is our first time in Oslo, so very exciting, very cold as you can see, but also very exciting. We're here for 3 days and we'll see if we're going to make 1 or 2 videos out of this, but we will bring you along with us. First stop is to try and find a brunch, and then we've got a pretty busy day, right?
Yeah.
Let's go. So our first stop is Appent Bakeri in Barcode. I think Barcode is a location, but it's Appent Bakeri. We just got in less than an hour ago, got the train in, and now we are getting brunch. Bea organised the brunch, so I just sent her to get what she thought looked best. I think she's come good. She's always good at choosing food. So here she comes. Ooh, yeah.
Very hungry.
Time for some Norwegian pancakes and brunch.
Ooh.
What do I do? I eat this in? Eggs, bread, pancakes with the fruit.
Everything together. Make a wrap. This is very good. The bread's lovely.
Yeah, it's disappeared quite quick.
I don't know what he's doing, but fail.
I was seeing if it would break.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
One drop-in session is 200. There you go.
Thank you.
So that was Grip Gym, nice little training session. Do you feel better for it?
Yeah, much better. Like the fly exhausted my back, and I think
Yeah, I always like
workout
we
just
always like
helps
to
everything.
hit the gym after a flight, huh?
Yeah.
But that gym's also perfect for us, obviously, because tomorrow we'll go to the BJJ class there.
Yeah.
And it's 4 minutes from our hotel, except we can't get into the hotel yet, so we're going to be exploring for a little bit until we can, right?
Yes.
Let's see if we can get some nice footage.
Finally, the hotel.
Right, so we've been in this room now for a little over an hour because we decided to take a nap, which was much deserved after the 3:30 a.m.
Yeah.
wake
Oh
up.
my god.
But-
It's tough.
But yeah, this room's pretty decent actually. Look, you've got a lot of stuff. There's some cute little things here, such as this little pull-out breakfast bar. Makes it bigger. you wouldn't have thought that there's a fridge going on here and a dishwasher, would you believe? Yeah. Not really a decent place to organise your clothes, but I think these are hangers and you get hangers, so that's good. I mean, what do you think about this place?
I think it's pretty good. Like, we don't need more than this, I think. Just for like 3 days or so, this is more than enough. It's
very IKEA-ish, with everything having like its little storage place and like being very minimal. Like, how big is this? Only a few meters squared, but gets the job done. All right, so off to dinner. It's been pitch black for hours, which is deceiving because it's only 6:15. But off to dinner. We don't know where we're going, do we?
No.
All right, so off to dinner, and then to the Masego concert.
Yeah.
Having the nap?
No, actually, I did before because when I was in the room, I was bloody tired. But now I'm feeling good. Yeah, it's nice here. Even if there's snow, we're warm enough, then it's cool.
And so why are we here in Oslo anyway?
We're here because I wanted to go to one of my favorite artists, Masego, his name. And we came to watch his concert, which is very, very exciting.
But where are we going to go first?
I think we're gonna go grab some food in a way, but I'm not sure where or what. We're gonna grab some food in a way, and then...
What about this snow?
Oh, the snow looks nice, looks cute, looks Christmas. They have like a lot of different kind of food here, like street food. And we're gonna grab something to eat. And it's nice because it's exactly in the front of the concert place. So let's have a look and see what we're gonna eat.
What did you get?
Dumplings and a little salad. I'm
Vegan
not
dumplings.
Very hungry.
What's in the dumplings?
Marshmallows and some veggies. It's like a fried dumplings. It's cool, yeah. A little sauce. Like, I literally just What you got?
I got Thai noodles. Now it's been a while since we've been to Thailand, but not on the YouTube channel. It's been a while, is it? So fairly fresh. This is really good. Well, a bit spicy, but they have a buy one and then they donate one. So I don't know. It's a really popular. A little bit annoying since I don't. And finally, how is it?
Very good. This mayonnaise is delicious.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Finally. You're excited for the Masego concert?
I like being here in Oslo, yo. I got some good energy. Thank y'all so much.